Pasok!
Tsunami walk.
Chumami walk. Make Lava Boy proud. Make Lava Boy.
Gari ka, Pingi.
Hello. What's your name?
Nika po.
From what school?
Governor Feliciano Leviste Memorial National High School.
In short?
Po?
In short?
Miss Janice Heli and Mr. Dennis Mendoza.
In short is left behind.
In short. In short.
Ano po, teacher?
Okay.
Nakinig ko, teacher. Sorry po, Pinky.
Okay. Anong gagawin mo dyan?
I'm gonna sing po, Broadway.
Ano, Broadway. Anong kanta?
Nothing po.
Ba't ka nandiyan? Anong kanta? Anong kanta?
Nothing po.
Sige, kung ano man yung gagawin mo niyan, natin mo ano, pakita mo sa amin yung galing mo. Palakpak mo ng taga-area man. Lilima. Sige, repeat. Sabi ng ibon, sige, repeat.
I'm so excited because I'm gonna go to the high school for performing arts. I mean, I was dying to be an actress. Anyway, it's the first day of acting class, and we're in the auditorium, and the teacher, Mr. Carp, puts us up on a stage with our legs around everybody, one in the back of the other, and he says, okay, we're gonna do improvisations. Now, you're on the bobsled, and it's snowing out, and it's cold, okay?